सर मैं अगर आपसे पूछूं आपकी एक एक्सपर्टी, आपको इतना सा टाइम हो गया करते करते, आपकी एक एक्सपर्टी जो आप कहते हो कि वो मेरी एक्सपर्टीज है, वो बाकियों की भी होगी, डॉक्टर्स की, आई एग्री, लेकिन आपको क्या लगता है आपकी ऐसी क्या एक्सपर्टीज है जो आपने ओवर द टाइम आई है आपको? ऑफ कोर्स ग्रेजुएट होने के बाद तो किसी को नहीं पता होता, बट विद टाइम 20 25 इयर्स 15 इयर्स हो जाता है कि दिस इज माय एक्सपर्टीज.
I basically work on skin issues
Okay.
and old age geriatric changes, joint issues.
Okay.
These cases I focus on
Mm-hmm.
and try to help as much as I can.
My second last question to you. What are the lifespans of basically dogs? एक होते हैं small size, medium size, large size. इनके lifespans क्या क्या?
The bigger the dog, shorter the life.
Okay.
Smaller the dog, long is the life.
Medium size, medium the size, medium the lifespan.
Lhasa Apsos we have seen up to 18 to 20 years of age.
Good.
But the Great Danes, Saint Bernards, they don't go beyond 12, 10, even 8 we consider as a
Good age.
old age.
Old age. Right, right. And sir, most common disease कौन सी होती है जो dogs को लगती है when they grow old?
This is joint issues.
Joint issues जिसमें आप specialize करते हैं.
And now out of love, everybody wants to feed them more of carbs.
हम भी तो सर वही खाते हैं.
ठीक.
जी.
So basically these canines, those who have their longer canine tooths, they are carnivorous animals. They need 40 to even 70% of protein in their diet, and rest is about 15% fibers. Rest is multivitamin, minerals, trace elements,
Right.
and very less of carbs. But I've seen pets eating parathas with butter and all.
Indian
So,
dogs तो खाते हैं सर.
खाते हैं.
राइट. मतलब आप मतलब मैं वैसे पूछूं तो do you feel this is ये मतलब ये था कि एक क्वेश्चन से क्वेश्चन आया ये, do you feel homemade food for an Indian dog is bad?
नहीं ऐसा नहीं है. Basically the point of giving ready-made food in the initial stage is that within a small quantity of the food, because what we learn ki bhi what is this our stomach size. Our stomach size is like our fist. आप एक पपी का स्टमक साइज ले लो, 4 फीस्ट ले लो उनके, इतना होगा. अब इतने पेट के अंदर आप एक बैलेंस्ड डाइट, न्यूट्रिशियस डाइट कैसे डालो? सपोज आई एम कमिंग टू योर हाउस एंड सेइंग भैया आज मेरे को खाना खाने आ रहा हूँ मैं आपके घर, तो मेरे को 50% प्रोटीन चाहिए, 20% फाइबर चाहिए, 10% कार्ब्स चाहिए, ये बाकी थोड़ा विटामिन्स मिनरल्स वगैरह हो.
मैं डिनर कैंसिल कर दूंगा.
You can't prepare that.
Right.
So that is food, ready-made food, those kibbles, they are prepared according to the requirement and these things. हम अपने घर में suppose we want to, when they grow older than means they are young enough, like they have attained their full maturity in terms of weight and height, then you can gradually start mixing your homemade food into the ready-made food.
Got it.
Gradually you can withdraw. There should not be any sudden withdrawal or sudden addition into their food.
Got it.
Because their stomach is so sensitive. Nowadays studies have come that what we people say ki bhi curd is very good for stomach. But now studies also have come ki bhi in winters you should avoid giving curd.
Right.
To the dogs, because they may have gastric issues.
Right.
90% of the these stomach issues, loosies, constipation, or these things are because of the food. What rubbish they eat, what they eat is not good for their stomach. Worms even. So there are many things.
Right.
So Like you can take all the seasonal vegetables, 1-2 pieces of chicken, very low amount of salt, good amount of haldi. Prepare a broth of that. Start mixing 1 spoon daily for few days. Then make it 2 to 3 spoons every day. Gradually, limited amount of the ready-made food and rest of your homemade food.
Right.
Wheat and rice in any form is not that good. So just if your dog doesn't eat without roti or without chawal, you can sprinkle that over that broth.
Got it. You have to play with the mind of the dog.
Exact.
Right. Got it. हाँ, क्योंकि आपके स्किन स्पेशलाइजेशन है, जॉइंट इश्यूज, तो तभी वो फूड का बहुत बड़ा रोल होता है उसमें. दैट्स व्हाई यू कुड से कि दैट ऐसे.
And once your stomach is good,
राइट.
99% of the problems you can skip off.
यही कहते हैं. आई थिंक ह्यूमंस के लिए भी यही होता है कि आप
बिल्कुल.
जो खाते हो वही सब कुछ डिसाइड करता है.
प्रोबायोटिक्स थोड़ा सा कभी
Right.
ऐड करते रहना चाहिए उनके खाने में. सो वंस योर स्टमक फील्स बेटर, योर इनटेक आउटपुट इज गुड, 99% you won't get any kind of severe issues which are means in the aging process. Even the digestion part, the GIT tract become weak, your all systems become weak, so everything will be managed
that way. Fine. Yeah, this is a very good advice basically जितने भी पेट ओनर्स हैं उनके लिए, कि ये ऐसे हमको पूरा एक बैलेंस करके चलना चाहिए, because of course they can't say that on their own, the pets. So we have to take care of that, and this is where a good doctor comes into the picture, telling that what should be eaten, what not should be eaten from a dog's perspective, right? Fine, that is good, sir. So
you
Hanji.
will be amazed to learn that ki bhi, even sometimes if a dog is very reluctant to eat at the age of like Labrador, at the age of 13-14 years, he is on the older side. So we feed them Cerelac.
Right, I know that.
That is the easiest digestible food on the earth. Even a small baby can digest that.
Right.
Though it has got cereals and all everything, but that is the, if his gut will be okay, he will be fine.
So it's filling also, and the gut takes care of the gut also.
Yeah.
Fine, understood.